There is this movie which everybody has been raving about called Main Wapas Aunga, and it's based on the partition of India, creation of Pakistan, everything that happened in between. And I would just like to take this moment and mention some books which are about partition, and they're the most beautiful books to read on and expand your knowledge. These books should definitely be your go-to. First one is my absolute favorite, which is called Remnants of a Separation. In this book, the author goes on to actually interview the survivors of partition. She does not ask them direct questions straight away. She actually starts the conversation with the objects they carried with them during partition, why they carried it, what's their memory with it. Next one is Partition Voices. It documents the journeys of Indians who traveled to Britain eventually after partition, how their life unfolded, what happened, what circumstances were they in. Becomes Shattered Lands by Sam Dalrymple. Been a part of my most recommended books. After I read it, it documents the breakdown of British Empire and how it's more than one partition. Yeah, Midnight's Border, got to read it. She traverses these lands which we actually know nothing about. She documents their history and has some original photographs in it to just break your heart. I mean, just read it. Independence. It documents the partition of India into East Pakistan and then East Pakistan into Bangladesh. Again, something not many of us know. Go read it. If you don't cry, then come back to me. Then we've got the OG, the classic Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. I have no words for that book. I cannot describe it. It's just, there are some trigger warnings in it. Actually, there are some trigger warnings in almost all the partition literature books, because let's be honest, it was a horrific time, and we need to remember that history should not repeat itself and learn from all of this. Then comes The Night Diary, a documentation of a child's journal and what they went through during the partition. There is another one called From Quetta to Delhi. It also documents, again, the journey from one side to the other. Last but not the least is Midnight's Children. It talks about all these children who are born at the stroke of midnight when India gains independence on August 15, 1947. It's magical realism mixed in a recipe of political awareness. Truly, an author like Salman Rushdie can only write. To where? Insta, now you can post photos as replies or as comments. So go ahead, post your recommendation for partition literature, and let's share the love. Let's be vocal about this history of art. And I just want as much people to know about it as possible.